Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to build and how to use the dock in Subnautica below zero. First of all, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this helpful, and let's begin. First of all, pick up your habitat builder, right click, go to base species and select the Seatruck Dock. Of course, you're gonna need the materials that you see here, the titanium ingot, advanced wiring kit, and 4 glass. Now to place it, you're gonna see it's able to be placed only... It's only able to be connected from the back side, which I'm facing now. I'm going to connect it to this side, to this tube. I'm going to left click, and here you'll see it's only able to connect from this side. I'm going to construct it. It's going to decrease our base hull strength by 5, as you can see. Now you can go to your Seatruck, and to park your Seatruck in the dock, you want to go to the open side and just right into it. It's going to play a nice animation. And here you can access all of your modules which are connected to your Seatruck. If you want to get out, here you'll just select the pilot Seatruck. And to customize your Seatruck, you want to go ahead to this panel in the hallway. And here you can select the color which you want to put on your Seatruck or the name. After you're done, just click done like this, and it's going to apply all of your changes to it. This is pretty much all for the docking station. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.